If you are learning programming, you would have heard the terms statement and expression thrown around a lot. They may look confusing at first. After all, they look similar and are often used together. But they are not the same thing. But before we dive into today's video, if you want to learn coding with JavaScript, we have fun and animated courses that will help you understand and master the concepts of JavaScript. We also have a free digital library where you will find courses on computational thinking, algorithmic thinking, and many other topics. Do explore our courses. Now, let us proceed with our video. An expression is a piece of code that produces a value. This is the single most important thing about expressions. For example, when we use any operator, suppose we add two values, this piece of code produces a value 6, hence this is an expression. Or when we compare two values, in this case, we will get a Boolean output, hence this is also an expression. Expressions are not just limited to operators. When we use methods or call a function that returns a value, even these are examples of expressions. On the other hand, a statement is an instruction that tells a computer to perform a task. Statements do not return a value. For example, when we create a variable and store a value in it. Here, we are telling the computer to perform an action, hence this is a statement. Or when we print this value on screen. This is also a statement. In programming, using statements and expressions together is not uncommon. Expressions are often used inside statements. For example, here we have this following code. On the right-hand side, we have an expression. But overall, this piece of code is a statement. In this case, first this expression will be evaluated and then this value will be stored in this variable. One more example is the conditional statement. Here, this piece of code is an expression as this produces a value. But overall, this piece of code is a statement. To summarize it all, any piece of code that produces a value as output is called an expression. Meanwhile, a piece of code that instructs a computer to perform an action is called a statement.